What's up, guys? My name is Zach, and guess what I got in the mail today? No, I did. Oh my god! I hate that guy. He's so annoying. But anyway, I got that thing I was talking about, and I already cut off the sides and the tape and stuff. And I'm just gonna open up and show you guys what I got. It's fantastic. I'm so excited. So yeah, here you go. First things first. Open up this. She's beautiful. You know what? I'm just gonna take this and put it right there. Okay, so I got this from Social Skateboards, and just came in today. I skated it a little bit, so yeah, I got a little head start. But here she is. She's beautiful. There's a punk skateboard wheels. I don't know what kind of bearings. This is Punked Decks. I'm stupid, but it's from Punk Decks. I have my Bone Swiss Reds stickers on there, and then I have a bolted ketchup sticker on there, which is pretty cool. But yeah, that's what I got. It's awesome. I love it. It's so smooth. And I don't know what kind of trucks these are, but I'm pretty sure they're punked, because everything else on it was punked. But yeah, yeah, I'm gonna do a little session right now. Please know that I'm just now getting back on the skateboard. So yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you, I did do a revive design on my grip. It's pretty awesome. Let's skate. Ollie. Second one, pop shove. Next trick, 180. Okay, let's try that again. The sides are really like weird. No. Oh, you can't see it. Never mind. Kickflip. Oh, that hurt. That was loud. I'm failing so many tricks. But thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, leave a like and subscribe for more videos. I didn't say drop a nuke. Drop a nuke on a like button. See you later, guys.